In this lesson, I will work with exercise number 6. I will work with this. This sketch looks like this is symmetry sketch. So I will start from center. I will take a front plane, and here I can start with a rectangle which is 200 by 110, and also this radius, arc radius, is 180, and both are same. So I will focus on right hand side. I want to make everything on right hand side, then I will just make it mirror. So take a rectangle first with 200 by 110. Then make a arc which is 180, and from here we can see these two lines are reference line, so I will change these two lines as a reference line. Now I will create this circle, both circles are same, which is 25 mm dia. Also this radius is 25, and from center this line has distance 65. So let's try that. I will take two circle on two corner. Now I will select this circle and line, make a tangent, also tangent with this. Same thing I will do for this circle. And put dimension for this 25. This is fully defined. I will select this and make it equal. Now I will create a line also on this direction, in this direction. I have to make this line horizontal, and you have to make sure I started from this point, which is quadrant point, and that point is selectable. If I select this line, if I hover over here, you can select quadrant line. This distance is 65. Then radius of these two corners is 25, and press OK. So if I go back to the image, you will see this side is done. Now I will create this. For this outermost circle, I have to make it tangent. I do not need to put any diameter for this. So if I select it, you will see this will create a tangent relation with this line, and this is automatically fully defined. Now I will create these small circles. One is 7, another is 15. First put few dimension, 15, and this one is 7. Then I have to put tangent relation with this line. Same thing I will do for this bottom. I can select this, and if I select this point, it will also do the same. I don't need to make tangent relation manually. And I will select these two, make it equal, select these two, make it equal. Now next step is to create this line. I will create tangent line with this, same thing with this, and distance from center to here 35. Then I have to put radius 25. So I will select somewhere here and here, also select here. This is already tangent. I will select this point. Now I will put dimension from center to this point is 35. Finally I have to put the radius which is 25. One side is done. Now I will just make a mirror. I will mirror this, not all, I have to select which one I want to mirror. Then I want to mirror all of this line. And mirror about, I will select this line, and you can see this is the preview. It will show, and to make sure I pick all necessary sketch entity from right side. Then I will press OK, and this is that sketch. Inside the sketch, always try to remember, when you will create any sketch, try to make it fully defined. This is highly recommended to make your sketch fully defined. Otherwise, when you will change your sketch or your part later, it will be very tough for you to control.